Hey guys, it's Element. Okay, this is a fail. Hold on, I'll be right back. Can you guys be quiet, please? Trying to make a vlog here. Trying to make a vlog. Okay, stay quiet. Okay, see you guys later. Hey guys, I moved to a location where the dogs won't bother us anymore. They so rudely interrupted me. Well, before they interrupted me, I just wanted to say this is one of the new series I'm going to be starting. It's going to be vlogs, and I actually enjoy doing it, so I'm going to continue doing it. And also, sorry I haven't been making that much videos. It's because I don't have Xbox Gold, so I can't play online, and I don't have my mic yet. The KM44 Madness, it had very terrible quality, and I could do better when I get Xbox Gold, so it'll be like actual full screen and not like outside, it'll be inside. If you guys understand what I'm saying. Probably not, but I want you guys to look out for SeaWorld vlogs. My school made a sponsored event where we're going to SeaWorld. It's gonna be like a field trip kind of thing, and it's a 5-hour drive there. It's not gonna be a 5-hour vlog. I'm gonna only get like bits and parts of it. It's a 5-hour drive there and back. And also, well, you're gonna see me with my friends. We're gonna make like a stop at like McDonald's or something. We're gonna go to see the whales, the penguins, and all that stuff. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Click thumbs up if you want more vlogs. And yes, I do draw my hand a lot. Okay, click thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you want more. And if you want more vlogs, put in the comments, we want more. #we want more. Alright, well, see you guys in the next video.